Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So I've changed it round a little bit on here. I've got some of these gonks. I think I got them from like TK Maxx or something ages ago. But how are we all? How are we all doing? I've treated myself. It's my birthday next week. I am 44 years old next week, guys. That's crazy. And I believe that 44 is going to be my year. I really do. Let's just address the elephant in the room. The nails are crusty and dusty. I'm getting them done next week for my birthday. I'm having something sparkly. I put a picture up on screen of what I'm like thinking for my birthday nails. But yeah, so don't mind the nails in today's video. I have just freshly dyed my hair. So if I've got hair dye anywhere, let's not talk about it. So for my birthday, I decided to treat myself this year. I bought a present from me to me, and of course with the help of Miss Twee, I went on her website and she does have the mystery boxes back up again, or the mystery bags. They're £50 each, and all of the money goes to charity. But with these mystery bags, guys, they are lightly swatched, tested in videos. Maybe she's got duplicates of some of the products and they've never been used. So if you're okay with them being lightly swatched, tested out for a video, then these bags are definitely for you. They're definitely for me. I have got so many videos of these now on my channel. I'm obsessed. I literally am obsessed. I love Twee anyway. She is about to give birth to her little baby boy as well, guys, which is so amazing. I'm so happy for her. They went and had a 4D scan in her last video, and oh my god, the baby looks so cute, and I can't wait to see him online because obviously I've never met Twee in person. But yeah, that's that. So I decided just to treat myself to a Twee mystery bag, which you guys know how obsessed I am. Before we get into unboxing that bag, even though I am itching to see what's inside because they never disappoint, a little brand reached out to me that is super adorable. They're called ByPromise. So they're called a brand called ByPromise, a jewellery brand, and they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to work with them in this part of the video, and they've kindly gifted me 2 pieces of jewellery. So it comes in this little dust bag, which is absolutely gorgeous. Christmas is just around the corner, guys. I know I keep babbling on about it. If there is a discount code for these pieces of jewellery, I will put it on screen and I'll pop the link to the ByPromise down below so you guys can go check them out as well. But they kindly gifted me 2 pieces of jewellery. So I've got a necklace and a bangle. I'm not sure if the bangle is going to be too small. This is down to my sizing. I've got really skinny, like small wrists, and the way I did it on the website, I thought it was going to be the perfect size for me. But I think I've ordered a child's bracelet. Now, it's not down to the brand, it's definitely down to myself. She did ask me as well on the email, and I said, yeah, I've got small wrists, it'll be fine. I'm hoping it will fit. I'm sure it will. On here you've got little charms. So we have my little birthstone. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, so just bear with. So I've got my little birthstone on there, my name. I don't know if you can actually see that. So it's got like my name. It's got like a little hammer. I'm a little Scorpio, so it's got a little Scorpio symbol there as well, which is so cute. Now let me just try and put this on. It has actually fit on my wrist. So it is really pretty. And then they kindly gifted me a necklace to match. So this is the necklace. It's a beautiful little cross with a flower in the middle, and I just thought that was so gorgeous. I love silver jewellery. Silver jewellery is my absolute favourite type of jewellery. Let me just pop this on. So that is the little necklace. How gorgeous is that? I am loving cross necklaces at the minute, and I think that is super, super cute. So thank you to ByPromise for sending these pieces of jewellery out to me. They are absolutely beautiful. So ByPromise specialise in personalised jewellery, such as custom rings, custom named necklaces, birthstones, names on earrings and pet face jewellery. Their free shipping is over $55, guys, and you get 99-day return policy. The price point is absolutely amazing for personalised jewellery. It is such a good price point. So they're from $30 to $70 for custom jewellery. These pieces of jewellery are gorgeous, guys. They don't tarnish or anything like that, and they're just such gorgeous little pieces. So if you are interested in picking yourself some up from ByPromise, I'll leave the link and code down below so you guys can go check them out. I want to thank ByPromise for working in this part of the video with me. Thank you so much for sending these beautiful pieces of jewellery out for me. I absolutely love them, so thank you so much. And let's get into the unboxing part of this video, guys. I decided that I was going to buy myself a birthday present to me from me, and what better birthday present to buy than a mystery bag from my girl Twee. I absolutely love her. When you're watching this video, my birthday's next week. My birthday's next week and I'm gonna be 44. So next week me and Tony are going away in the caravan. I've decided I'm not gonna film going away for my birthday this year. I'm just going to be in the moment with Tony and my friends, and I'm just going to enjoy the time. But there will be a full face of birthday glam makeup coming up next week, so make sure that you're subscribed. So make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday at 6 PM UK time. So without further ado, go and grab yourself a snack, grab yourself a drink, maybe a hot drink, a hot chocolate, because it is the season, or a nice glass of Prosecco, and let's get into the unboxing. As always, I'm going to rip this open and you guys are going to be the first ones to see what's inside. Oh god. And like I said, don't mind my nails because they're getting done. They'll be getting done next week for my birthday. So you guys are the first ones to have a peek inside if we've got really good stuff, because we always have really good stuff in the Twee bag. So I'm just going to quickly reach in. The first thing I've got is this Maybelline lip tint. I will put up on screen all prices of the products, and then at the end of the video we'll see what the bag tallies up to, because like I said, I paid £50 with my own money to buy myself this bag. So I'll put on the end of this video what the whole price point of the bag is. So this is the Maybelline Sun Blush. Oh, is it a blush? Oh, I've not tried the Maybelline blushes yet. So we've got a Be Perfect, what's this, Fahrenheit Burn. Is this like a bronzer? Oh, it looks like a baked bronzer. That looks gorgeous. Oh, very powdery. So I have tried quite a few products from Be Perfect. I love them. I love their foundation, but I haven't tried one of these Fahrenheit baked bronzers before. So we got one of those. What have I been telling you guys I want to try so bad, but I haven't picked one up yet? The Tear foundation. So this is the Tear Fit It Red Cushion in Caramel 27R. This might be a bit dark. This might be a bit dark for me, guys. That looks quite dark. So yeah, we've got a little mini of the Tear foundation. I'm messing it all up now, getting bloody foundation everywhere. So we've got this from Too Faced. This is the Kiss Jelly Gloss. So it's lip gloss hybrid in a peach ring. I've already got my Jordan Lipscomb lipstick on today. Ooh, I like that. That is really unique. It smells like sweets, like juicy fruity sweets. That looks beautiful. Some lashes. We always like some lashes. I haven't worn lashes in like forever. These are the Eyelaw London Lily. They look like on the back, like they've got top lashes and then bottom lashes. I've never wore lashes like that before. Interesting. We've got a Medicube. So we've got this from Medicube, and it's their 1 day 0 pore 1 day serum. Got something from K Beauty. I've never heard of that brand before. Maybe it's a Korean brand. And I think it's an eye pencil in blue. It's brand new because the packaging is still on it. Take that off. So I think this is like an eye pencil. Ooh, that's a really nice blue. It's very good because it's not bloody coming off my hands. I have no idea what brand this is from, but Twee always talks about these toner pads. So the Poreless Swish Wiper, Swish Wiper and toner pads. So I'm not sure. This is definitely a Korean brand because it's all Korean writing on the back there. But yeah, she always raves and raves and raves about these toner pads. So yeah, I'll try those out. We have a Primark vitamin rich base moisture primer. So it has been swatched, but I've got quite a few of these. I love these from Primark. They are such a gorgeous dupe for the Bobbi Brown ones. And then we've got one last product, guys, and it's a massive eyeshadow palette, a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. So this is the Be Perfect Carnival, the Antidote palette. I don't think I've tried this one. I had a Carnival palette, I think it was a Carnival 2 palette years ago. This is from Stacey Marie. That is an absolutely beautiful palette. Oh, and I love these. This is the Biodance face mask. This one is the Radiant Vitamin Niacinamide Deep Real Mask. This I'm definitely going to be using tonight. So yeah, that's everything that I got in the bag this time, guys. Absolutely love Be Perfect products, especially that Carnival palette. I might do a look next week actually using this for my birthday glam. It's got so many gorgeous autumnal colours in there, so I absolutely love that so much. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. I want to say thank you to ByPromise for the jewellery they kindly sent me out. Absolutely stunning pieces of jewellery. And I want to say thank you to Twee for sending me my bag, even though I did pay for it with my own money. I always enjoy opening those bags and finding goodies inside to try out. So new products. So I've never tried these before, so I'm going to give these toners a go. I've got something by Medicube. I've got the little mini tear. I've got something by Too Faced, some eyelashes, some Be Perfect bronzer, a Maybelline blush, Primark primer, the face mask, and obviously the eyeshadow palette. Video today, guys. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're updated every single time that I upload a video, which is once a week here on my channel. And I will see you next Sunday at 6 PM, guys. Love you, bye.